Redbubble is an online marketplace with creative twist. It is a way for artists to turn their designs into t-shirts, stickers, phone cases, and more. If you are looking for an original design for your dorm room or your office space, then Redbubble might just have what you are looking for. If you are using this print-on-demand platform to sell your designs, you have probably asked yourself a question. Can I buy my own designs on Redbubble? While the answer is very simple, I want to share with you my personal experience. But before that, let me explain something to you first. As a designer on Redbubble, you have an option to set your margins for every product you are putting your design on. These margins are your profits. Margins are generally calculated based on the cost of the product and the profit percentage the designer has chosen. To summarize it, if you make a flat 20% margin on every product and someone buys, for example, a t-shirt, you get 20% of the t-shirt price as a commission to your Redbubble account. But what if you want to see how your design is looking on a t-shirt? Can you buy your own design on Redbubble to check if it looks good? Will it be legal, and won't you get into the trouble for that? Don't worry about such question at all. It is quite normal to buy your own designs on Redbubble. I personally do this often. The only difference from a regular purchase is that no commission will be credited to your account. In other words, you are buying a design on the product without your margin. This means cheaper than anyone. And don't worry at all, it is legal. However, it is important to know that if you have a multiple accounts on Redbubble, like me, you have to use the same account where the designs were uploaded to buy the product with the design. If you for some reason use another account, it could get you in trouble. Redbubble could suspend all your accounts for fraudulent behavior. So stay away from this practice. Don't get into the trouble because you want to save a few dollars. It's not worth it. You can make a lot of money with Redbubble, so try to keep your account safe. Another important thing you should know when buying your own designs is that you will pay for shipping. And to be honest, Redbubble has a little problematic shipping. For example, if you order a sticker, t-shirt, pillow and a mug, then you will probably pay shipping cost for all these products separately. And this can be costly. Another issue I had with my order was the fact that not all shipped items had a tracking number. I remember very well what a problem it was for me at the time. Even after 2 months, not everything came out of the order I sent to my girlfriend. And unfortunately, the lost items were without tracking numbers. However, I contacted the support. They very quickly acknowledged that it was too long a time to deliver the shipment and immediately had the lost order printed. They even gave me a voucher for another order. The strange fact is that 2 weeks later, both the lost order and the new one arrived. As you can see, even ordering your own stuff from Redbubble can be problematic. But I still hope this video was helpful, and if yes, then like, comment or subscribe. All your effort will be appreciated.